Penny found this one snow patch on the trail. All right, so we have a neat little adventure planned for today. We chose a trail that we think both Bella and Penny would be able to do. So we're heading south from where we're at near Myers. So here we are, a little bit of a closer view. You can see the lifts from Kirkwood here. Highway 88, you're going to come past that. You're going to head up right till you get to Silver Lake. And then off to the other side is our Shealor Lake Trail. Should be kind of fun. We're going to potentially explore a little bit above the lake as well. As you can kind of see as I zoom in, there looks to be some upper lakes that we'll have a look at. The girls are geared up, ready to go. Alright, so we're here at the start of the Shealor Lake Trail. And we got Bella. Got some flowing water, a little stream. Perfect place for the dogs to cool down and get some water. Are you serious? Penny found this one snow patch on the trail, and she's rolling in it. And it's anyway, she'll be in the lake, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm guessing we're at 7,000, maybe 400 or 500 feet elevation, so you can definitely feel the elevation. It's definitely not an easy hiking trail. You are up and down rocks, and then a lot of slabs actually. And I believe the elevation you do going to the lake is actually less than when you come back. So now we're gonna start descending down to the lake from what I could read. On slabs, big step downs, it's not the trail for you. You find a rock? Yeah. Here we are, down at the lake. Danny and Lisa brought pack rafts. Bring them out to the lake soon. So everyone's had their fair share of sun, and now we're heading up and out. I missed all these flowers coming through. You know what the middle island's called? Treasure Island. It was a good day out. Hope you guys enjoyed.